Oh no, fire ants. Oh God. I'm still getting used to living in Arizona. Hey guys, welcome back to Typo's Garage. Today we are on the WR250F and we are out in a place called Walnut Canyon. The actual canyon is along sort of that ridge line there. What I'm going to try and do today is ride this power line. As you can see, it kind of goes forever, and see if I can intercept that canyon. It's supposed to be pretty cool. I tried to take a couple roads over here, but they were closed for soil and wildlife amendment, so it did just rain, so I don't want to tear those up, but this is mostly rocks, so should hold up pretty good. All right, let's get rolling. This hot start is nice. When I've been riding, it's hard starting when it's really warmed up, but this makes it really nice. I tell you what, it's hard getting used to shifting with these boots on. I never rode with boots, and when I first started riding, I missed so many shifts. Terrible. Oh boy, this is moist. Try not to tear this up here. I gotta figure out where to catch this. So I think there's an entrance over here. Let me make sure there's no signs. So those little road signs, those little stakes, that's where it said closed. So I've never seen that before. So hopefully there's not one here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything. It did just rain, so I can't really see anybody's tracks. Oh boy, Jesus. I like having these motocross goggles on, but my contacts dry out so fast with them. This bike is leagues above the KLR. Obviously the KLR has its own uses, but this bike is so nimble, so snappy, so much fun. Oh, I wonder what this is here. Oh shoot, I can't get out there. This is driving me crazy. Oh man. So I could open that, but I don't know. I haven't popped my cherry on opening gates and riding fenced off land yet, which technically this is all open to riding, so I shouldn't be too scared. If you could see that ridge right there, that's the canyon. Maybe we'll head back, and where we came up this hill, we'll cruise over that way and see if we can get out there. And then maybe someday we'll open these. Let's walk up and see what it says. I'm curious. Please close gate. Please close gates. Livestock on property. Huh. Should we do it? Because that's where we need to go, where that pipeline is, or that line is. Huh. Obviously this is going to go pretty far. I don't know. Looks like it's locked over there, but this is unlocked. I should read up on this first before I go getting in trouble. Anyways, we'll go see if we can find another way in. Alright, so I'm going to go this way and see what we run into here. So last year, all of this was fenced off, and the other side of the road was all open. So they must have migrated the cattle and everything over there. I think how it works is there's an agreement between farmers at the beginning of the season, like, okay, I'm going to take this side. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I don't know if there's some money involved. So I went up that little ridge last time. I'm going to try and go this way and go that way. I know all of these roads lead to Walnut Canyon. And so see this little sign here? That's what it said, closed for maintenance or something like that, for soil rehabilitation. So it looks like the fence stops over here, so we might be good. Oh boy. I'm trying to be respectful and not tear all this up. Wonder if this goes along the fence. We'll find out in a second here. It does. Cool. Alright, let's see where we can go here. It does not. Shit. I wonder if I should try to get on that ridge and go back, because it looks like the fence kind of follows this, and this is open. So let's do that. Somebody was up here. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the canyon over there. I think we're good. Let's make sure there's no closed signs. Alright, let's do it. Oh, there's cows. There's no fences. Some big cows there. Let's see where this road goes. They're probably used to people driving up in here with their UTVs and stuff, but I don't know. I'll be respectful to the cows. Definitely looks like a farm road. Oh, there's another fence. Shoot! Should have just went through that first gate. Well, God, my eyes are so dry. Nobody's charging me, are they? No. Maybe we'll cruise out and try to catch a train. I tried that on the Hawk and the KLR, and I still have not seen a train, but I've heard a bunch. So basically we're going to go out over there and sit right next to the train track and hopefully get a cool video or picture, or we'll see. And then we'll have to try and figure out how. I'll ask around and see if I can actually open these fences and get out there. It wouldn't have mattered if those other roads were open, so I'll have to check those later this summer and see if I can get out there. If you've never heard of Walnut Canyon Memorial or National Monument, check it out. It's a huge cliffside where you can walk along it, and there's all the old ruins basically on the side of the canyon, and it's a whole museum and stuff. It's pretty cool. I'll put a link in the bio of the video, and you can click on it, check it out. If you're going to be in the area, it's definitely something to see. So there's petroglyphs and stuff. Pretty cool. All right, I'll check back with you when we're back on the service road, and then we'll get out to the train track and try to get a cool little video, maybe a picture or two. So I was riding at a place called Wing Mountain. It's a big kind of volcanic cinders spot. And I was riding with a buddy, and he was kind of teaching me. I'm new to dirt bikes. The Hawk is not really a dirt bike. But he was kind of teaching me how to press your weight around turns, and like using your knee to really dig the rear tire in and throw it out around turns. And man, is it a workout, but it is so much fun. There's like at Wing Mountain, there's like a couple of different things. There's cinders you can go up, there's like little loop jump sections. They're all kind of natural things. And then there is a little track. It's just flat track with berms and stuff, and where you can practice like your turns. And I almost wiped out a few times with like target fixation, but it was really cool. If you're riding in the area, go check it out. There's a prairie dog. Go check it out. It's cool for kind of messing around and kind of developing skills. I felt like I made some serious progress that day. I'm going to try and see if this connects back this way so I don't have to go all the way up the power line again. Alright, let's see what this is here. Oh, this is cool. Oh, wow. Yeah. Very cool. Alright, out to the service road. Really love this bike. I think after a year or two of riding this one, I'll keep this and I'll get a newer one. Oh wow. Sorry if the wind's real bad. I have the goggles on and the shield's not down. And maybe I'll do a review on this helmet. This is the Fly Racing Trekker helmet. So it's got the shade, it's got the actual outer glass, but it also is big enough in this area to have goggles on, which is what I'm wearing right now. So it's pretty cool. It's a little bit bigger than a motocross helmet, but it's not super heavy. Ventilation's good. So if you watch my first video on the Hawk, I took this road along the train track on the Hawk, And yeah, I told some people, oh yeah, I went for a cruise, I took the train tracks. And they were like, you did what? I was like, yeah, I was cruising on the train tracks. They're like, you can't do that. I was like, what do you mean? Apparently it's off limits to anybody but BNSF rail people. Pull this over here so we can get a nice picture. I think I hear a train coming. Phone out so we can do a TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, check it out. It's the same name, Typo's Garage. Also have a Facebook, mostly for just marketplace. Please tell me we're recording. Yeah, thank God. So I'm gonna shut this off for a minute, save some battery, and then hopefully we get a train. This is one of the only spots, so Flagstaff is over that way. Winslow, Holbrook is all that way. They made an ordinance in the city that they had to stop blowing the horn. But this is one of the last places that you can blow the horn, and I'll put the video in here. It's super loud. They must have to slow down a lot, or there's a couple other trains in transit coming through Flagstaff, so when there's multiple they slow down, so there's no crazy accidents. But yeah, this is a main railway going all the way to California, so, and all the way, I'm guessing, to, oh, I don't know, I'd have to look it up, but maybe Oklahoma, maybe further, I think, or maybe the East Coast, I don't know, but, and then it goes all the way to California that way, so pretty cool. But thank you guys for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that like button and the subscribe button in the bottom right, and follow me in the future. I think I'm gonna wait till winter to do these fork seals. They are leaking pretty bad, but you know, it is what it is. And the rear shock, everything else is running really good, as you guys saw. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching, and have a good one. Peace.